Filling?
Hey!
Okay, nice answer to that.
He's attempting to get the egg out. Suspense is filling the air. And then the cup is probably going to catch on fire right as soon as he gets it out. I see the egg.
No, I gotta get this. Okay.
He's attempting to get it. The cup is burning. The egg is out. The egg is out.
This egg is dead. Oh gosh, that's in the hot part too.
White hot coals. Oh, is it going to? It exploded. It made a squeaking sound and it exploded, but it wasn't water. It was cooked, and then it died.
It cooked through. Look at it.
Yeah, I know it cooked, but I mean, it kind of burned and exploded.
It's hot.
I want to crack an egg into the fire just plain. Stab it. Skewer it.
It's hot.
How do you feel the heat from that far?
Dude, this fire is hot. You threw like 50 logs on it.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Okay. Here we go.
Put it on the tree stump.
Okay, let's put it right here.
Jordan, what?
Dang it! No.
It's dead now.
No.
Oh, it wasn't cooked all the way through.
My dad lied. It took more than 3 minutes.
How do you feel about this accomplishment?
My egg. it was. I was ready to eat. I was gonna eat that, but
I want to crack an egg into the fire.
it's not gonna do anything.
Here, I'm going to.
No.
I am.
Nope.